How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do give a hickey for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you give a hickey for beginners? A hickey is just a bruise. That's all it is. So to give a hickey, just take your lips, suck on the neck or whatever area you want to give the hickey. All you do is you use your lips and you're just sucking. That is it. Never use your teeth. Teeth will cause skin damage. The reason why people are unable to give people hickeys is because they don't do it for a very long time. You have to do it, the sucking, for 60 seconds. You can't do it for 10 or 20 seconds. That is not enough time. It takes a minimum of 60 seconds to give someone a hickey. Once you understand this, you'll be able to give hickeys anywhere on the body. It's literally as simple as that. It's very simple to give people hickeys. That is all you have to do. Do it for 60 seconds. You'll be able to give hickeys anywhere on the body. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.